So, hello everyone, welcome back. And here I am again with yet another, this time a K drama recommendation. So, this drama is being called The Potato Lab, and the lead is played by Lee Sun Bin and Kang Teo. So, the story is actually revolves around this small potato lab in a countryside where the girl, the female lead, works in. And this company is responsible to have the best potatoes so that the best type kind of chips can be generated from it. But the company goes under some financial crunches as later being taken over by yet another big company which is based in Seoul. The manager comes over here and creates havocs in the company. The company employees actually does lot of tricks to kick the manager out from here because the aim of the manager was to close this company down. The girl, the female lead, also has some kind of a history back with the main company in Seoul and also with the main lead. But till then, they don't know about that. There is a lot of banter that takes place between the girl and the boy. The boy actually kicks the girl out from the company because he thinks that she does not play any major role and does not have a qualification to work in this company. But sooner and steadily, the girl and the boy they both realizes that how important the lab is for the people who are working in the company as well as the people who are around the lab, which means the farmers. So the drama takes a lot of ups and downs, and finally it reached to a conclusion. But in between all this chaos, there is a booming love story that starts taking place between the female lead and the male lead. Go check this out drama on Netflix, and I'll see you in the other video. Till then, bye bye.